I am Mrs. Cornelia Talanya Magnaya Jamentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Cornelia Talanya Magnaya, Quezon the First. I bake. During I bake, the buko camouflage does not stop. And then, what is just being target is my wedding day. That buko camouflage is from here, Philippines. And then now, the voice is girl gender, which is Poco. They not stop on hurting myself just because of their enviousness on wedding. Please help me naman, no. My situation is being killed. I not socialized onto them. On my talking. Am I being understood of how they kills me? This is not growthness, eh? This is killing. And then my intensity of being girl is not their intensity. I feel traumatized. Myself is a private schooler. Please help me naman, oh. Because myself is being killed. Please naman, no. Because they is bullying me here, Philippines. They is killer. Mamo. They is criminal. They is gold digger. They is clingy to myself just because of my boyfriend, husband, lover. Especially if Alex Jr. ko is pertains to Lazada. That is how the intensity of being killed. Crab mentality. And then I am clean. Pure is me. Myself is being bullied on black magic. Please help me naman, oh. I not want Janica because of criminality of that girl. I need help. I not want here at Lower Bikutan. There is bad person. Please help me. Not want in here. Nakakadiri na eh. Pasabi-sabi pa silang amen. I not even say the word amen. The Bobo camouflages slash dead. That person is being slashed the head. That is the deadness of that person. And then I not know when it is will happen. That person is killer, feeling high level on this country and not even feeling high because of Yakadiri. I will leave it.
Tumigil ka ha, baka kalagyan kita, ihulog dito na.
Traumatized na ako. Ganyan pa rin yung nanay ko.
Artik.
Parinig ka. Kapuksan na trabaho mo. Mabawi sa tayo ko. Television GRO. Television GRO here Philippines, truthfulness will happen. I saw it on my panaginip. Mine is mine. Now they is trying to copy me. I not even socialize to those person on my ear. They is pervert. Ayo. Narating ang panahon, mamamatay kayo. Pag namatay kayo, sa tulong sa bansang Pilipinas. Ngita ka. Hanggat